Everybody, what's going on with you? It's your boy Al here on Viral Speed, and I wanted to make a quick video or a vlog just in regards to just my channel and why I haven't really uploaded a video in over a month. So, and there's like, when it comes down to it, there are a couple reasons why I haven't uploaded a video yet, but I guess there's one reason, there's mainly in particular. The reason why I haven't vlogged in a while, or I haven't uploaded the videos in a while, I guess one reason why I haven't uploaded a video in a while is because I've actually started working on something else also. I'm happy to say I'm now a independent business owner. Yeah, I mean, not the fact that, outside of my channel, but outside of my channel, I now own my own business. And so I'm happy about that. Kudos to me for that. But it's still, I have a lot of work to do with it. So I know I needed some time to get my feet wet and really see what this was about and what I can do with it and how I can potentially match my business up with my channel. And that was like the biggest reason right there why I started to I got involved with a few folks here and some really great people, and started and became my own business owner also. So so far I'm enjoying it. I love it. It is definitely some work, but I see the vision behind it. I see what can happen behind it. I see what I can do. But as with anything else in life, that if you don't do, then it won't come. If I don't, if I have a garden and I put down some seeds and whatnot, or whatever kind, and I'm in an area obviously where it doesn't really rain too much, so I don't go out there and daily water my seeds, I'm not going to see any fruits of that labor. So it's the exact same thing. So I've just been really busy doing that. I'll get into that a little bit as far as what my business is. It's e-commerce. It's for those of you who know what e-commerce is. It is pretty much the online businessing that I do have. It's not just online, but it's just mainly that's where everything is housed at. It's online. So it's easy to manage, less risks that you have to worry about also. So that is one big thing right there that I've been, working on, building my business and getting that going and getting that off the ground. Compared alongside with my channel and my business, my e-commerce business that I have, I definitely see a light at the end of the tunnel. I'm always remain positive about it, and just keep pushing and keep pushing from there. But so that is one reason why I haven't really, uploaded a video in a while. The biggest reason why I haven't uploaded a video in a while is because, you ready for this? I have a little fear of talking to people. I know people, who know me like, no, you don't. Yeah, I really do. I just, sometimes I'm really good at covering it up, but it only goes so far. And me being a YouTuber, I'm like, you're like, how do you have a fear of talking to people, but you are a YouTuber? Well, I know I haven't identified it, and it's not that I'm no longer going to allow that to, let that be an excuse why I haven't done this, why I haven't reached out to people, or why I haven't, gone to events and just openly start communicating, start talking to other people. We all have, issues that we're dealing with in life, and that just happened to be one of the issues that I'm dealing with. I am, on the other hand, working to try to, combat that. I do a lot of reading now. I go to the bookstore, and I've, done searched out a couple books that seem to be really, really, really good. One book that I am reading is called The Power of Habits. It's a yellow book. If you know of it, or if you don't, I highly suggest that you head to your nearest book and check that book out. It is called, again, the Powers of Habits, something like that, but it's yellow book cover. The other book that I do have, it is called the Magic of Thinking Big. Now that is a really, really good book right there. That's a book that I'm currently reading also. It really, really, really deals directly with those insecurities or those issues that you may have as an entrepreneur or just as a regular employee or whatever, you know, your boss, whatever you are, you know. That book is, I think, is for everyone. There's not one person that I don't think should not read that book. I'm currently in chapter 4 right now. I just started chapter 4 and I read it every day about, you know, 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I get lost and I'm reading like an hour and a half or something like that. But it just really helps identify like a lot of the issues that I have. And so what happens with me, you know, when I'm talking to people is I've been very enthused, you know, very happy to speak, you know, and I know I have, you know, certain insecurities, so I'm constantly in the moment, you know, as I'm speaking to that person or that customer or individual, whoever it may be, or that, you know, person that I'm trying to do a car review with. When I am speaking to that person, I sometimes I get lost. I kind of get lost and forget all about myself, and I forget about how important myself is. In a way, it makes me feel inferior to that person, and it's, you know, that's not really a good thing that I want to feel. And then this is the worst thing that really gets to me. I'll be in a dead middle of a conversation, middle of a thought process, talking to someone about, you know, whatever it may be, and in the middle of it, my mind goes completely blank, just like that, and now I completely forget about, you know, what the topic was about. And then not only do I look stupid, I look like I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, and you know, that again just plays on my confidence and lowers my confidence down even more. This book, the book that I mentioned, the Magic of Thinking Big, is a really great book. If you have any confidence problems, or if you're insecure about any issues or anything like that about yourself, I strongly suggest that you read The Magic of Thinking Big. To all my subscribers, I do apologize that I haven't uploaded a video in a while. It's been like almost a month, a little bit over a month since I uploaded the video. But don't worry, I do have another video that I'm getting ready to drop here in about 2 days. Hopefully I'm gonna try to, you know, get it finished by tonight, maybe tomorrow. To all my subscribers, again, I want to say thank you for subscribing. Stick around. Please like, check out the videos if you haven't watched them all. Comment on them. Give it a likes up, please. I definitely need more likes going. And more views, obviously, as we continue to grow. But since I am back now, making videos, and like I said, my next video will be uploaded here within the next day or two or so at the very most. I'm trying to get this, once I get home, I'm trying to actually get it uploaded maybe tonight, or get it finished tonight and upload it maybe tomorrow first thing in the morning. If you got the notifications on, you'll know when it drops. And I appreciate your time. This is your boy Al here on Viral Speed. Peace.